I am here at Lakeshore Preserve. It is built by Mattamy home builder. Lakeshore Preserve is located right off of Dyke Rd in Lutz, and it is part of the Steinbrenner School District. The first model we'll see is the Sebring. It's 2,200 square feet, 2 to 3 bedrooms, and 2.5 bathrooms. This model has a massive loft as you enter the second floor. None of the homes here are identical. You have a say in what you would like in your home. This floor plan is slightly smaller and puts it right below 2,000 square feet. Mattamy Homes is the largest private builder in America. The HOA here includes exterior maintenance such as the lawn care, roof, painting, and also the sewer and the water. This community also has a pool. This community is about 70% completed. So if you want to live here, you should definitely give me a call so we can get you in as soon as we can.